Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope that you must be fit and well. Today we are doing a sum from JEE Mains 2016. The sum reads like this. Let P equals limit x tends to 0 plus 1 plus 10 squared root x whole to the power 1 by 2x. Okay, then log p is equals to, that means we have to find the value of log p when this limit is, okay, when p is equals to this limit. Okay, and the given options for log p are 2, a is saying 2, b is 1, c is half, and d is 1 by 4. Out of these given 4 options, only one option is correct, and we have to find the correct option for the given question. Okay, so how we will do? See here. Here it is given to us that p is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus, okay, 1 plus 10 squared root x whole to the power 1 by 2x. See here. This, if we are substituting for x0 here, okay, so what we will have here? Here we will have the base will become then 1, okay, because 10, this will become 10 0. X, if I am putting the x value 0, so square root of 0 is 0 and 10 0 is 1, or sorry 0, 10 0 is 0, so 0 plus 1, here it will become 1, okay, and here the power will become what? 1 divided by 2x, so x tending to 0 plus, so what will be the value of this limit? This limit will become infinity, 1 divided by a number which is very small, positive number, very small, near to 0. So the value of this fraction will tends to infinity. So this become, okay, so this limit is of the form 1 to the power infinity. Okay, so when a function, when the limit is like this, 1 to the power infinity, there is a theorem for this. Okay, the theorem is like that. If a limit is like this, x tends to a plus, okay, here f1 plus fx, okay, whole to the power gx, such that, okay, so this is the theorem for this, such that, okay, such that limit of fx, such that the limit of fx when x tends to a, sorry, not a plus a, okay, so such that the limit of fx as x tends to a is equals to limit of gx as x tends to a, both are 0, okay, then the okay, and the limit of fx divided by gx as x tends to a exist, okay, so the limit of this, so therefore the formula says us that the limit of x tends to a, okay, 1 plus fx, okay, fx to the power g 1 by gx, its limit is given like this, e to the power limit x tends to a fx by gx. This is the formula when it is 1 to the power infinity. Okay, so this is when I put here the limit of fx when x tends to a is 0, and this is also 0, so this become infinity. Okay, so this become 1 to the power infinity. So its formula is e to the power limit x tends to a fx by gx. So we are applying this formula for the given limit. Okay, so the limit will become what then? See here. Okay, so here P is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus 1 plus 10 squared root x whole to the power 1 by 2x. So this become equals to e to the power limit x tends to 0 plus fx divided by gx. Fx is what? Fx is this. Okay. So this become e to the power limit x tends to 0, 10 squared root x divided by 2x gx. Okay, so this is gx. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, so we have applied the formula, so that is equals to p. Okay, so that is equals to p. Now we will solve this limit. Okay, now see here how we will solve this limit. Here p is equals to e to the power limit x tends to 0 plus. Okay, so I am writing this as this 2 is a constant. I am bringing it out of the limit. Okay, and 10 squared root x, I am writing it as 10 root x, and this x I am writing as root x. So this become whole square. Okay, so this become whole square. So this will become 10 squared root x, and root x whole square become x. Okay, so this, and we know that 10 of a number, any the 10 of any number which tends to 0 divided by the same number, okay, value is 1. The 10 root x by root x, when x tends to 0 plus, its value will be 1. Okay, so this will become e to the power half into 1 squared. So that is e to the power half. So what we are getting? We are getting p is equals to e to the power half. Okay, so therefore log p will become what? So log p to the base e will become half, because this is the means definition of log. Okay, this is the definition of the log. The definition of log is what? If a to the power m is equals to n, so log, then we have log n to the base a is equals to m. So here we are getting p is equals to e to the power half. So log p to the base e will be equals to half. So we have to, it was asked to find the value of log p. So log p to the base e, we are getting half, which is, okay. So here e, base e, when there is no base given, it means the base is e. So log p to the base e is half. Now check from the given option. Here c is equals to half. So the correct option is C. Okay. So this is the one method of doing this sum. Another method I am showing, here I have done this sum by directly using the formula. Okay. Now we can do this sum by another way also. I am showing you the second method without using the formula. Here I have used the formula for doing the sum. Now I am doing this sum without using the formula. So how we will do this? See here. Here p is given to us limit, okay, x tends to 0 plus, okay, whole, this is 1 plus 10 squared root x whole to the power 1 by 2x. Okay, now take the log of both the, okay, first we are see, here I am writing this as p is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus, okay, and here I am writing 1 plus 10 squared root x. Here for this I am writing the power 1 by 10 squared root x. Okay, so what will be this? This will be then multiplied with, okay, so here I have divided with this, so I have to multiply also to make it equal. Okay, so to make it equal I have to multiply here the same expression. Okay, So here I have divided with 10 square root x. So I have to multiply with 10 root x. Okay, 10 square root x. So now take the log of both the side. So here I am this putting in one bracket, and this I am putting it in another. Okay, now see here what we will have, log p. So log p, these here it will become limit x tends to 0 plus, here it will become log of this, okay, 1 plus 10 squared root x whole to the power this, okay, 1 by 10 squared root x into 10 squared root x divided by 2x. Now here what is the power will come before the log. Okay, this is the property of the logarithm. Okay, so this will come before the log. So now I am writing this power before the log. Okay, so log p will become then equals to limit, okay, x tends to 0 plus, and this will come before the log. Okay, so here I am writing this before the log. Okay, so this will become 10 square root x divided by 2x into 1 by 10 squared root x, okay, into log of this. Okay, so log of 1 plus 10 squared root x. Okay, now see what we are doing now. Here I will write this as the base of this, and this I am writing separately. Okay, so log p will become then limit of x tends to 0. This will, I am breaking this limit into two limits. So this will become 10 squared root x divided by 2x into limit of x tends to 0 plus, okay, 0 plus, here it will become log of 1 plus 10 squared root x divided by 10 squared root x. Now see, I am solving this limit separately. Okay, now here let this limit I am, okay, taking as L. So let L is equals to limit of x tends to 0 plus, okay, so this become log of 1 plus 10 squared root x whole divided by 10 squared root x. So here substitute 10 root x as m. So let 10 root x is equals to m. So what we have get, so therefore when x tends to 0, when x tends to 0, m will tends to 0. When x tends to 0, okay, so here when x is tending to 0, so 0 will be 0, so m will tends to 0. Okay, so this limit will become, okay, so L will become, I have changed the here limit, so this m will tends to 0, okay, and this will become log 1 plus, okay, and here actually you take 10 squared root x as m, okay, 10 squared root x as m. So when x tends to 0, so m tends to 0. So here for 10 squared root x, I am writing m, okay, divided by m. So the value of log 1 plus m divided by m when m tends to 0, its value is 1. So now we will put its value as 1. Okay, so this is equals to L. Okay, so this value is 1. So I am now substituting the value of that 1. I have showed you how we have got the value 1. Okay, so here log p will become then, here 2 is the constant number I am taking out of the limit. So this will become half x tends to 0 plus, okay, and 10 squared root x I am writing it as 10 root x and x I am writing root x whole square. Okay, and this value I have showed you, it's 1. Limit is 1. Okay, and 10 x tends to 0. 10 root x by root x value is 1. Okay, so log p become half into its limit is 1. So 1 square, and it's we have already found the value is 1. So 1 squared is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into half is half. So log p value is half. Now check the given option from the mains. The options given, the C is the telling half. So the correct answer is C. So I hope that you must have understood the sum very clearly. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Stay fine. Thank you.